So I was in the garden cleaning up today. So this is how the garden is looking so far. Today is May 11th. This is the blackberry corner. It's looking amazing. Gonna be so many blackberries. This is a strawberry bed. I've weeded some of the path. And over there we have eggplants. And we have a blueberry down there. We have a cherry tree. More cherry again. And then we have the celery here. And we have peppers. And we have peppers and onions. This is all peppers and onions. These are like tiny ones. And we have more eggplants down there. We have a chamomile coming up here.
Look at your pockets.
Nothing.
Your pockets.
Yeah, what happened? What are you looking for?
Put your mom right now.
This is a mint. Over there is thyme.
I find it.
Oh. Come, get ready to go inside. It's cold.
It's not cold.
In the raised bed in here, we have some arugulas. The only thing that's really growing rapidly in here. Yeah, we have 2 more celery. I see some beets coming up there and some other little things. But yeah, not much coming up in here yet. Another celery at the end there. And we have a bit of melons and stuff. Not ready yet to go out. Still chilly. Oh, I've lost one moringa. One is still trying. Maybe I'll bring these inside. I think it's too cold out here. I'm gonna bring these inside. I'm gonna bring these inside. Okay. Nina? Okay, so I've filled this bed. So in here is all eggplants. And I have beans here. This is Blue Lake bush beans. We have some herbs over there, parsley and cilantro so far that I see come up. Then we have a tomato, of course the garlic, and then peas in the back. And we have volunteer potatoes in the corn bed. And the corn is coming up, slow but coming up. Asparagus is on its way out. And then we have a blueberry bush right there. This season is just crazy this year. And a rosemary right there. So yeah, so this is how the garden is looking right now. Oh, the orchard. I clean up the orchard. So the fruit trees are all here now, back again. In here we have 1 sage plant, 1 borage plant, and 1 basil over there. But yeah, so this is how the garden is looking now, May 11th. And yeah.